King Rama I, after Bangkok was established as the new capital of Thailand to serve as a residence and offices of royal family. Also located within the same compound is Wat Phra Kaew, or the Temple of the Emerald Buddha. Grand Palace and the Temple of the Emerald Buddha opened